Alright, this video I wanted to show you dev4eos.com. So in the previous iteration of this course I went over the CIB, which was kind of a, I don't know, super bare bones version of Remix, right? So if you're an Ethereum developer, you know what Remix is already. It's just a browser, or a browser-based IDE essentially. Anyway, I think this one's a little bit better and has a little bit more functionality, so I wanted to show this one, and as things develop I'm going to continue adding to the course. So with this one you can write source code, right? You can write your smart contracts, compile and deploy them, but not only that, you can change the server which you're using to compile or upload the code to. You can change which net you're going to deploy the code to, and all of this is attached to your scatter account, right? So you're going to use your scatter account to sign the transactions that are going to put these on chain. So I have this connected to the Jungle testnet right now, and then you just write your smart contract as you'd expect. You compile, deploy it, and then run it. You can also run the JS code to actually test your smart contract after you have uploaded it to whatever testnet you're going to use. So I might end up using this in the future, depending on how streamlined the development is. I kind of like this. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that, let you know that it exists and where to go